Hello friends, so in this video we will learn about how to select a specific sheet from multiple sheets when you have so many sheets in one Excel file like this index match. If I want to go here, okay, you can see a different sheet or anything here. Change or okay, and if you want to again change you should just click on here. So in this tutorial we will learn how to do this. So go to first of all your macro sheet. Okay, I am again creating one of the module. Sorry, first of all I will call here so now I will call here user form and simply select here tool, properties, there is my tools. So this toolbar is now hiding. I am inserting my toolbar, project window, toolbox. Simply here just combo, simply insert one combo box, so you can store your all the sheet name in this combo box and one command box. Okay, I will actually you don't need command box, you can simply here select and close this. Okay, so this so now we'll have to add this user form 3 in our combo box. Double click on combo box, so you will get combo box name and property as well. So whenever my user form load, all the sheet names should combine into this combo box one item. So how can I do this? Just simply when use user form initialize function. Okay, so I am copying this combo box name to avoid spelling mistake during typing. So my value should be I will add all the sheets one combo box by using for loop. Item property to add item in combo box. So sheet dot name, so it will add sheet name one by one when during load the user form 1. Let's try this. You can see here, but now it's not changing my sheet when I something change into the combo box. So for this we will have to use combo box property, sheets, combo box 1 dot value dot activate. Okay, now try this. First of all it will show me error. Why? Because select sheet is not any sheet in this Excel file, that's why. But we need to avoid this first sheet which we have defined by default in combo box. On order resume next, on this now it will run successfully. You can see my sheet is changing. Okay, but I don't need to go again and again into the macro and run again and again. I need this toolbox here, so whenever I need any sheet then I will simply click and select the sheet instead of go to any specific sheet and search that sheet. So I will go to the option here, customization, add new tab, rename this tab as a my Under that, rename this finish symbol here. I am giving it. Now we need macro, so here we have to create module to add macro. So we will call our user form by using macro. Okay, so here you can see, oh sorry, my project window is not being project. Yeah, I will call user form 3 show, and simply also save this workbook. So whenever you save your project property of VBA and your Excel file both, that time you can get all the refreshed macro in your tools. So find sheet, select it, add, press OK. Now this macro has come. Now you can call your macro or user form here. Okay, thanks for watching guys.